So,
Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Little Red Riding Hood. She lived with her mother. One day, she wanted to visit her grandmother. On her way, she saw a wolf. The wolf said, "Where are you going?" Little Red Riding Hood said, "I'm going to my granny's house." The wolf quickly ran to Granny's house and locked Granny in a cupboard and wore her nightgown and went to her bed. When Little Red Riding Hood arrived, she said, "Oh, Granny, what big ears you have! All the better to hear you with." "Oh, Granny, what big eyes you have! All the better to see you with." "Oh, Granny, what big teeth you have! All the better to eat you with." "Ah!" screamed Little Red Riding Hood. A woodcutter heard her scream and went to her house, Granny's house. He hit the wolf and let Granny out of the cupboard. And the wolf went away and never to be seen again. The end.